but I've been here for 11 years now. I've seen a lot of stuff. I always joke, I think when I started here, we were on work order 200. We're in the 10,200s now. So a lot of jobs have passed through since I've been here. I'm Lance Allen. I'm the Quick Response Manufacturing Project Coordinator at Nix Industrial. So when I first started, I kind of did a little bit of everything, a little bit of fabrication, a little bit of welding. I was the lead material processor for a few years, still fabricated, and we were a small group back then. So everybody had to chip in, just did whatever it took. As the company grew, our shop grew, and roles became more defined, and I think there was maybe 4 people in the custom fab shop when I started. And then when I left the shop, I think there was 18 of us total. I was the shop foreman for about 3 years. Really looking for a change, wanted to grow my professional career. This position opened up. We have a lot of jobs that pass through. We have a lot of great customers. Some of them need stuff in a hurry, so I kind of take those smaller jobs or quick jobs that need done in a short amount of lead time and kind of run with them. It's fast-paced, just like being in the shop, but it's a little bit more of a controlled environment. I love it. It's a lot of fun. So my wife and I, we have 4 kids. They keep us pretty busy. Archery, soccer, football, wrestling, baseball. We like Notre Dame football. Enjoy being outside, being with my family, taking the boys fishing, stuff like that. I grew up in a racing family. We enjoy going to races and stuff when we can. Just something I always really loved, being around a racetrack. After I graduated high school, I decided to move to North Carolina. I got an opportunity to go to Roush Racing. About 2008 through 2014, I built shocks for all the cars I worked on. My favorite project here at Nix, we used to build a lot of robot bases for a customer, and some of them were very complex, and I really took a liking to building them. I think my proudest moment professionally, I was a member of the 2011 NASCAR Nationwide Series Championship team. That was a great moment professionally for me. Personally, I think it's just being a dad, being a husband, something I enjoy, something I take a lot of pride in. And here at Nix, being a part of a team that's grown from 4 or 5 people in the shop to a company that has almost 200 people company-wide, and it's amazing to be a part of that.